Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for watching us. Thank you for liking, sharing, and also for subscribing. Welcome to our channel. It's a very difficult day today. It's very windy. It was windy yesterday and we wake up with the wind. Today I don't know how we are going to manage to do our cooking, our breakfast outside, because house today we are going to start inside, to show you inside what I do when I wake up before I go outside to start preparing our meal and doing other chores. I wake up and start by making my bed, and then I will sweep inside here, and sometimes I will sweep and mop the floor depending on how dirty it is. As you can see, we had windy, as I've said. It was windy the past 2 days, very windy, so there was too much dust that was coming in. As you can see at the door there at the top, there's a light that is coming inside, so the dust was coming in from there. This space is not yet closed because the things that we need to close that space, we don't have it right now. So yeah, that's it. I'm thinking that I will find newspapers for now and put them in the water, and I'll close there and make them wet so that they can be able to hold, so they can close that portion, because we are not going to be using cement or anything. Even cement we don't have, but we are going to be using a certain rubber that is needed to put there at that door. So now I'm sitting here, and then when I'm done I am going to go outside. I will be waking up, doing my morning humming, singing as I wake up in the morning. That also gives me good spirit to face the day. So I am going to be doing that, and when I'm done sweeping I will go outside. I don't know, because it has been windy. Even yesterday we cooked. When we started to prepare our supper, it was windy. I don't know how it's going to be like today, and that's another challenge that we face. How batla o sa mo tseba bona
o tsega balance
a go ntirela ke bothanda but bona batho ba a re ke bona ba mo thuša go fa ka airtime go dira dilo tše ka moka very soft done Kenzelwini banje umenu musa ngazen phiri kamelila ufake mabhaket lapha emnyango ufake ungene sendlini ngoba ngifuna ukuthenga senukuya kucela amaphepha sami go ya ha go ya ha momo moza cool cool ni talento dani talento bitin kanago agora tu ku shoot dani shoot Chile.